going to paint the tracks by hand because they're being a bit awkward to hold down. So just got some XF84, which is a dark iron colour, and I'm just going to paint them. Now it looks like exactly the same colour as the tracks, but the tracks look a lot nicer with a layer of paint on. It also helps you put all the weathering stuff on. So I'm just going to do the inside of these, let it dry for a little bit, and then I'll do the outside, and then we'll put some, give them a bit of a dry brush. See what I mean? I had them in the box so that I could spray them and not get the paint everywhere, but they are being really difficult to actually stick down. Alright, let's let that dry and we'll be back. What I've done is painted in black colour, and now I've dry brushed them with silver colour, and now I'm going to stick them on the tank. You don't see the underside of these, so I'm just going to run the tank tracks round and then super glue them on, which probably isn't the right way of doing it, but this way it's going to look okay, and just super glue them to the wheels. Well, see if I can get any super glue out of the super glue pot. Here we go. Just pop the super glue on, get it in place, and stick a cotton bud in there just to hold it down. As you can see, I've done the other side, which it looks a bit rubbish, but when you get the top on, see how it covers it all. So I'll give that a few minutes to dry. I'll finish off the tracks, and then I think I'm finally going to glue that piece on the top. We're nearly there. I've got to find a way of, need to get a matte coat on this without ruining it. The matte coat didn't go very well with the Corsair. I've got to get some brown on the exhaust and glue this all together, and then I've got some fantastic news about the next video. So just a few little bits to finish off. And go at the front. And give the exhaust down. There's a couple of bits at the back here. I've done this, I'm going to just whack over some sort of dust in the buff, and that's just give it like a dusty finish. A little bit of dust around the end of the old muzzle, I think. Other than that, I think that's looking quite good. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to mist some desert yellow over the top of it and make it look a little bit dusty, get rid of the shine from the gloss coat and make it look a little bit dusty as well. And you just spray it from a long way off and mist it over, and it gives it like a, you know, little bit of a dusty sheen to it. And I think we'll call that quits. See you next time. Alright, so sorry for the last video being a little bit on the short side. Next up is a bit of a task. That's right, it's HMS hood. I have had the parts back from Airfix, which I thought was really good. I've got to be honest, I can't praise them enough. I emailed them over Christmas, so it was sort of in between Christmas and New Year, and a week or 2 weeks after Christmas the part turned up. So brilliant customer services from Airfix. Just sort of go through a quick, because we've done the unboxing already, but I'll go through another few bits. So we have got the box art on the front here, which just looks amazing. I think this is going to be the first ship I've ever done, so I'm really looking forward to it. On the side of the box we have side profile of the HMS hood, what paints you need to use, and the flying hours if you're part of the Airfix club. On the other side of the box we've got a few little bits and pieces about the hood herself, and really looking forward to building this, and can't wait to get started on it. So let's look forward to that. So I'll see you later everybody, have a good one.